What if I told you there exists a dog that can change your life forever? A dog that has carried children on its back, pulled survivors from disasters, guided the blind through busy streets, and yet when the day is over, curls up quietly beside you, asking for nothing but love. It is not just a pet, not just a companion. It is a healer, a protector, a friend who will never leave your side, even when the whole world does. This is the Golden Retriever. But how did this golden soul come into our world? The answer takes us back more than 150 years to the Scottish Highlands. Lord Tweedmouth, a man with a dream to create the perfect dog, one that could leap across rough terrain, swim across icy rivers, retrieve game with strength, but also hold it gently in its mouth without harm. Through careful breeding, a yellow, wavy-coated retriever and a rare tweed water spaniel, the first golden retriever was born. Golden in fur, loyal in spirit, and intelligent beyond measure. From the hills of Scotland, this breed spread across Britain, then to America, and soon across the world. Once a hunter's helper, now humanity's most loyal friend. Ask anyone who owns a golden retriever, and they'll tell you the same thing. These dogs are joy wrapped in golden fur. They are playful, gentle, and intelligent, among the top 5 smartest breeds on earth. They understand commands quickly, but more than that, they understand feelings. They sense your sadness, your joy, your fear, and they respond not with words, but with presence, with loyalty, with love. Their patience with children, their kindness to strangers, their ability to adapt to any family makes them not just pets, but family. And then, of course, there's the famous golden smile. A smile so pure that it feels like sunlight breaking through a storm. But golden retrievers are not only companions, they are heroes. They guide the blind through streets step by careful step, never leaving their side. They walk into hospitals, into nursing homes, into shelters after disasters, and with just one touch, they bring healing to broken hearts. They search through rubble after earthquakes, through the ashes of disasters, through the ruins of 9/11, risking their lives to save ours. When the world runs away from danger, the golden retriever runs toward it. That is their courage. That is their love. But such a gift comes with responsibility. Golden retrievers need care. They need exercise every single day. A bored golden is an unhappy golden. Their thick coats require grooming. Their bodies need attention. Their hearts demand presence. They are prone to health challenges, hip dysplasia, obesity, cancer. And without care, their golden years may be cut short. And above all, they need you. Leave them alone for too long and you break their heart, because all they want is to be by your side. So what truly makes the golden retriever special? Is it their fur, their energy, their intelligence? Or is it something deeper? Something we feel but cannot see? Perhaps it is this. In a golden retriever, we see the best of ourselves. Loyalty, joy, courage, love. They remind us every single day that love does not need words. It only needs presence. A wagging tail, a nudge of the nose, a silent promise that says, I am here, and I will never leave you. The golden retriever, more than a dog, a heart of gold.